glowing skin isn't just a summer dream, it's your year-round signature. Imagine the comfort of knowing your skin feels soft, confident, and ready for any season. As autumn drifts in, it whispers change. The sun cools, your skin breathes again, the perfect moment to begin your waxing rhythm. Less heat, less friction, more time for your skin to heal and reveal that warm autumn glow. When the air turns crisp, let consistency become your beauty secret. Because the glow you build in fall stays with you through every cozy layer. Then winter arrives, soft, white, and quiet. Your skin deserves the same kind of care, calm, hydrated, and protected. A little moisture after each wax keeps dryness away and your confidence close. Even under sweaters and scarves, your glow should never take a break. And as the snow melts, spring gently calls your skin to awaken. It's time to exfoliate, refresh, and let go of what winter left behind. This is your season of renewal, when consistent care meets natural beauty. Let the spring renewal effect remind you that smooth skin is freedom in motion. Then comes the summer, golden, vibrant, full of life. By now, you've mastered the art of glowing with ease. Each wax builds on the last, keeping you ready for every beach day and sunset walk. Hydrate, breathe, and enjoy. Confidence should always feel this effortless. True beauty isn't rushed, it's a rhythm you create through every season. Mark your calendar, follow your body's pace, and stay loyal to your self-care ritual. A gentle exfoliant, a soothing oil, a touch of patience, that's your timeless trio. Remember, waxing isn't a task, it's a love letter to your own skin. When you stay consistent, your glow doesn't just return, it stays. From the soft blush of autumn to the bloom of spring, your radiance tells a story, one of care, confidence, and calm. So here's to you, your glow, your grace, your year of beautiful renewal. And if you believe self-care is more than skin deep, hit subscribe and stay with us for more moments of pure, confident beauty.